What's up guys, it's Mike Seuss, and in today's video is for all of you guys who are considering buying a Tesla as their first EV. We're going to talk about all the awesome benefits and advantages of owning a Tesla versus a traditional gas-powered car. So grab a snack and let's go. Okay, so with gas prices on the rise and every car company starting to make a transition to electric, there's been a lot of interest in electric cars, most notably Tesla. Most people are looking to make the switch to save on gas, which is a good reason. However, there are so many more advantages than just that. And today, I'm gonna let you know all of these advantages as well as any disadvantages if I can find any. Also, because all cars are becoming more advanced each day with upgraded technology and features, in this video, I will only be discussing things that are exclusive to Teslas only. All right, guys, let's go. First, we'll start with the design and operation of the car. Teslas are designed to be minimalistic with ease of use so that you can focus on driving and being safe on the road. Tesla does this by removing unnecessary mechanical buttons and obstructions from the interior and integrating everything into a 15-inch touchscreen that can be customized to display your most used buttons for easy access. The only mechanical buttons you are left with are the window and the door operation, and the two multi-use scroll wheels on the steering wheel to control various features. Windshield wipers, turn signals, and gear selectors are also attached to the steering wheel as they would normally be on a regular car. A slight disadvantage would be getting used to using the touchscreen to locate and use specific buttons, but with as anything, you'll get used to it and you won't even have to think twice. Another thing when it comes to ease of use is being able to forget about your keys. What I mean is, with the Tesla, there is no physical car key. With your smartphone being a wireless key, you can unlock and lock your doors just by walking up to or walking away from your car. When entering, there is no key to insert or any push to start button. Just simply sit in your car and it will automatically know who's driving and set your mirrors, settings, seat, and steering wheel adjustments. It's so convenient being able to just walk up to your car and get in and go. And with the Tesla app, you can remotely lock and unlock your doors, lower or raise the windows, open the trunk, frunk, flash your lights, and honk the horn from literally anywhere in the world. I'll talk more about some other important things you can do with the app later in this video. And if you're wondering about what happens when your phone dies, all Teslas come with two car keys that can be used instead in case this happens. So just about every car made since 2014 includes some sort of infotainment screen with options like satellite, radio, and navigation. And with the addition of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it can take things even further by adding customized apps to enhance your driving experience. While this is great to have in your car, Tesla takes it to a whole new level. First, by incorporating a 15-inch touchscreen with enough space on the screen to see multiple things such as navigation, speed, surrounding traffic, and objects in your current multimedia, all at the same time. This matters because it lets you pay attention to the road without having to use your hands to switch through different apps on your phone while driving. Everything is visible and leveled to your line of sight. For those of you who like to take road trips, you can watch content on apps such as YouTube, Disney+, Netflix, Hulu, and even Twitch and TikTok. If you have kids or you're just a kid at heart, video games are also included as well, with greats such as Sonic the Hedgehog and Cuphead. And if you ever need to get on the internet, Teslas include a full-featured internet browser as well. Not only are these features advantages over traditional cars, but the technology is far better than any EV as well. The infotainment system is fluid and lightning fast, without any hiccups or freezes. The great thing about all of this is if you subscribe to premium connectivity, your Tesla will be directly connected to the internet at all times, which means you won't even need your cell phone present to do anything that I've mentioned. Now you cannot get that with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Cars get old and so do their features and technology. Not only do Teslas last, but they stay fresh and constantly receive new features with over-the-air updates. Not only can you update the software to give you new features like streaming services, video games, and new features that didn't even come with your car when purchased. For instance, in a previous update, we received blind spot cameras, remote video of the 7 cameras from your phone, a boombox feature which lets you remotely speak from your cell phone to your exterior speaker from anywhere in the world. But the cool part is that your infotainment screen is actually connected to almost every single mechanical part of your car. So not only can you receive updates to the entertainment features, but you can also update parts of the car itself. For instance, a while back, Teslas came with a certain amount of horsepower, and then an update came out to make your car even faster by updating the battery and the mechanics of the wheels. It can also update safety features and fix any issues you may experience. And when it comes to autopilot, updates continue to make the car smarter and safer in more complex situations. So instead of owning a normal car and having to wait for the next model every 4 years just to get those new features and performance, the Tesla continues to evolve itself. So with the way gas prices are nowadays, it's no wonder EVs are becoming a more logical choice when buying a new car these days. If you didn't know, Teslas are fully electric, which means there's no more spending insane amounts of money to get to work or having to go to sketchy gas stations. When owning a Tesla, all you need to do is plug your car in at home and let it charge. Depending on how much you drive, you can even charge your car using a regular outlet with no need to upgrade to a wall charger. I've been charging my Tesla at home with the included wall charger since I bought it over a year ago. Now, of course this will increase your electric bill, but in my experience, since owning the car, it only went up about 15 to 20 bucks a month. Overall, saving me about $1,350 per year compared to my previous car, which was a Mercedes C300. That's about $112 per month. Depending on which Tesla you buy, you can even get up to 396 miles of range with a full charge. And when you're out and need to fill up, you can use Tesla's supercharger network, which lets you get up to 200 miles in just 15 minutes. There are over 30,000 plus superchargers and more constantly being built each day. I've been on many road trips and never had to worry about running out of charge or even running low. Most likely there's one right where you live. If you guys want some in-depth details on how it works, make sure to check out my video on Tesla superchargers. Alright guys, so before we move on to our next 4 Tesla benefits, I just want to mention that if any of you have already put an order in for a Tesla and are waiting for delivery, you can improve and protect your Tesla from day one by getting some important must-have Tesla accessories, like a screen protector, weatherproof floor mats, console organizers, cleaning products, and many more must-haves. For more details, make sure to check out my must-have accessories video right here, which features my top 13 accessories. Also, make sure to check out my website, accessoriesfortesla.com, where you can get all of these products as well as Tesla apparel, Tesla news, and updates. Alright guys, now back to our next 4 Tesla benefits. Alright guys, so now this is the fun one. Before I talk about the performance of these cars, let me give you a little bit of a background on myself. To put it in short, I absolutely love performance cars. I like to be able to race and track my cars and just have a great driving experience overall. My previous cars include the Eclipse GSX, Mercedes C63, and Alfa Romeo 4C. Also, I used to be a member of a well-known car club where I would regularly attend track events and rallies across the US, not only being able to drive my cars, but experience other supercars as well. If you guys been subscribed to my channel from the beginning, you'll know that I purchased my Tesla while I was in the market for a Porsche. It just took one simple test drive for me to make my decision on the Model 3 performance. So because Teslas are powered by electricity, acceleration is instant, meaning when you hit the pedal, full power is delivered straight to the motors and wheels instantly, making these cars much faster off the line than your average car. My Tesla has a 0 to 60 time in just 3.1 seconds, which is insane. Even if you buy the long-range Model 3, you have a 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds, which is still much faster than your average gas-powered car in its class. And if you go for the Model S Plaid, you get a 0 to 60 in 1.99 seconds, which makes it the fastest production car ever made. Now, as some of my followers might know, I did end up buying a Porsche a few months after buying my Tesla. It's an awesome driving machine, but my Model 3 still outperforms it when it comes to speed, and that says a lot. Not only are Teslas fast, but they also handle like lightweight sports cars, and putting your Tesla in track mode lets you take it on the track without any upgrades. So basically, when buying a Tesla, you're getting a practical 4-door sedan with lots of storage space and can comfortably fit your family and still demolish almost any sports car on the road. Okay, so yes, having the coolest entertainment features, crazy performance, and no maintenance is great, but the most important thing to look out for when shopping for your next car is how safe your car will keep you in all kinds of different situations. The most overlooked feature of Teslas is its amazing safety features. So let's run down on some features and how they help Teslas become the safest commercial car in the entire world. That's right, Tesla cars received a full 5-star rating in every single category from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institution for Highway Safety. How is this even possible? Well, one of the main reasons is Teslas have no engine in the front, meaning the steel and aluminum will absorb most of the impact before it's transmitted to the driver and passenger if in an accident. Teslas have a low center of gravity due to its battery being located on the bottom of the car, weighing it down and preventing the car from rolling over, giving it a rollover risk of only 8%, which is the lowest of any SUV ever built. The roof can withstand 6 times its weight. That's over 20,000 pounds or equivalent to 5 Model 3s, making it the most durable roof on any commercial production car ever. And lastly, Teslas have a total of 8 cameras, which act as an extra set of eyes and can detect cars, objects, and even pedestrians, looking out for hazards on the road as you drive. And it can even have the car act upon these hazards by either braking the car or have it maneuver out of the way to prevent any accidents. These are just a few safety features. If you guys are interested in more details, make sure to check out my video on how Tesla makes the safest cars in the world right here. Another awesome benefit of owning a Tesla is that there is no maintenance needed to own these cars. Since there is no engine present, there is no need for oil changes, fuel filters, spark plug replacements, or emission checks. Even brake pad replacements are rare because regenerative braking returns the energy to the battery, significantly reducing wear on your brakes. Therefore, Teslas require no annual maintenance whatsoever. The only thing you'll need to worry about is replacing your air cabin filters, which need to be replaced every 2 to 3 years. Tesla also recommends replacing the AC bag every 6 years. So not only are you saving money on gas, but you're also saving money on expensive oil changes, emission checks, brake pads, and other maintenance services required when owning a traditional gas-powered car. Teslas have so many great features, but some of the most important is their security features. As mentioned in the safety section of this video, Teslas are equipped with 8 cameras. These cameras are not only used for safety, but security as well. You see, Teslas are equipped with something called Sentry Mode. And what it does is it allows your Tesla to record its surroundings when you're away. When you park your car in a location away from your home, Sentry Mode can be activated to protect your car from intruders. And it works by flashing its headlights when someone gets near your car, sort of like a warning. Then, your infotainment screen will display a message to let outsiders know that the car is recording their every move. Not only will the cameras begin to record activity, but it will also notify you via the smartphone app. And from there, you can even open the app and view a live feed of the cameras and also speak through the app to your Tesla's exterior speaker, letting anyone know you see them. Exactly like how the Ring door cam works in your house. So if you're not able to get to your phone, once you return to your car, the system will let you know of any detected activity while you are away and gives you the option to view the recorded footage right away. You're also able to do things like limit the car's access for valet by disabling most of the car's features, including shutting off the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, hiding personal information, locking the glove box, trunk, front, and limiting the speed it can be driven, all which can be controlled from the smartphone app as well. So guys, that about wraps it up. If you guys are in the market for your next vehicle, there shouldn't be any reason why you are not considering a Tesla. They're packed with features, have no maintenance, save you money in the long run, and are absolutely a blast to drive. So guys, will you be getting a Tesla anytime soon? Let me know in the comments. Also, if there's anything that I've missed, make sure to let me know as well. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure to like this video and subscribe, as it helps support me and motivates me to continue making great and informative Tesla content in the future. And guys, don't forget to check out accessoriesfortesla.com for great Tesla accessories, apparel, news, and updates. Until next time, peace.